In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Tor in the Brave browser, a valuable feature for those who are keen on enhancing their online privacy. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open your Brave browser if you haven't already. Brave is a robust browser known for its emphasis on privacy and speed, making it a popular choice among privacy-conscious users. Once you've got it open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll notice three horizontal lines, also referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing all the various settings and options that Brave has to offer. Now that you've clicked on the menu, you'll see a drop-down list. From this list, select Settings. This will take you to a new window where you have the ability to customize and adjust the browser according to your personal preferences. Moving on, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a sidebar with multiple categories. Here, click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it's where all the privacy-related settings are housed, providing you with control over your browsing data, security measures, and more. With Privacy and Security open, scroll down the page until you find the section dedicated to Tor. Now, if you're not familiar with Tor, it's essentially a tool that helps anonymize your web activity, aiding you in browsing privately by masking your IP address through a network of servers. Enabling it in Brave gives you the added advantage of a private browsing experience without leaving the comfort of your preferred browser. Right next to the Tor section, you will see an option labeled Private Window with Tor. This is initially set to off. Toggle it to on to activate this feature. Once it's enabled, you will have the ability to open a private window using Tor as easily as you would open a regular private window. This function provides an extra layer of privacy, making it harder for websites to track your browsing habits. For those who are interested in diving deeper into how Tor works and its implications on privacy, there's also a Learn More button you can click. This option will give you additional resources and information about Tor, which could be quite enlightening if you are exploring ways to protect your digital footprint. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Tor in the Brave browser. This setting will help make your internet excursions a bit more private, which is always a step in the right direction when it comes to personal online safety. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.